So it's time to start on the car project. This is the radio controlled child's toy car, so you can either be radio controlled or they can drive it using the little pedal on the there. So let's make it go quicker. So what I've got here is take the seat off and the batteries underneath the seat. And there's the batteries. So it's two 6-volt lead acids, so it's 12 volt in total, and these are no good. Come out! Oh well, that's not coming out. There's one of the motors in there, quite a small little diddy motor, and there'll be another motor. Other side, yeah, there you go. Look, it's 2-wheel drive, 2 motors, dual engined. Look at that. What's that? Is that a fuse? What is that? Probably some thermal cutout thingy. Oh well, if it's for protection, we won't need that anymore. Right, let's power it up with 12 volts and watch it spin, and then we'll have another look at. Well, we'll get the batteries out first. Let's just take the batteries out. I do like how they glue the end of the batteries in to stop the wires come off in vibration, because you know it's going to have a rough time, isn't it, being driven by a 4-year-old? So there's the 6-volt nominal lead acid battery out. So 2 of them, 12 volts. This is what this runs on. And up there you can see there's a box of electronics that does the radio control stuff. We'll have a look at that and see if we can run it on 24 volt, because that's what we want to do. More voltage, more power, more speed. And there's one of the motors. Yeah, we'll just keep up in the voltage till the motors burn out, basically. And underneath here is all the buttons, and it just goes off to the box underneath. So we need to get to that first. Right, and I've managed to pull the box of electronics free. See, the aerial is wrapped around it to give it a nice range. Oh, you tell this stuff's cheap and nasty, can't you? Yeah, let's get inside this box and see if it will cope with 24 volts. And that's what was in that box. So not a great deal. Nothing on the underside. So power comes in here. And goes everywhere. But basically, it's just relays. So you just got a motor relay, steering left, steering right relay, and a different relay. Don't know what that one does, but it's not very complicated. And then this is just a wireless board. So it's really not very sophisticated. It's a bit, yeah. We can do better than that, can't we? Ideas. So I have a power supply hooked up to the original controller, and this is at 14 volts. So power on, and well, that rather disappointing. Wonder why it's doing that. You can hear the relays clicking. Shows how crap it is. Try low speed. Hey! So now what I've done, I've bypassed the controller and wired straight to the motor of this wheel. So same voltage, 12 volt, and the power supply on. Much quicker, right? Let's increase the power. So this time I'm going to wind the voltage up. Well, that works well. So that was at 28 volts. So yeah, I think we have potential. We'll ignore the crappy controller and we'll build our own. Now there's a project. Right, okay. I'm gonna have to buy some parts. I have an idea. So my idea at the moment is we basically get rid of all this junk because it's rubbish. Put in proper PWM motor drivers, 24 volts, much quicker. Possibly keep some of these buttons so we can have a on-off, forward and backwards, manual and radio control. Yeah, we can keep that. And do we want low speed? No, we'll just leave it on high speed. And that's it. Right, okay. So there's a brief overview of what my plan is, and we'll go from there. Awesome, things are started. Right, hope you enjoyed that video. It's a little bit messy, I would say. Oh, well, it's not very good, is it? Right, yeah, anyway. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed this rambly video, thumbs up. I'll see you later. Now let's get on eBay. Whiz!